Google Classroom is a really nice feature, and we have it for free within our G Suite. If you click on the 9 boxes, you might see it in here. I don't have it in mine, and it's not down here as well. So what you just need to do is just type in classroom.google.com, and there comes Classroom. Now, if you want to save it someplace where it's easy to find, just take this little lock, drag it to your bookmarks bar. Let's just put it right here, and there's Classroom. And then you can access it easily. If you don't want the name there, you can also edit it and take the name off. And there's the icon. So you can see I've created some different classes here. So to create a new class, your page will look different than mine. You'll just get a create a class. You'll just click the plus sign, and here's the option where you can join a class or create a class. If a student logs in, they will have the option to join a class. They will have to say that they're a student, and they will be able to join a class. So let's just create a class, and we'll just call this test class. You can put as much information here as you want. Click create. And then here's our test class. So the first page that you have is your stream, and this is where you'll see all your assignments and your posts that you post to students. And this keeps track of the work that they have due, topics for discussions, and your stream. You can see the deleted items. Here are your students. You can invite students by giving them Gmail through Gmail. However, it's really not very necessary to do that. All you need to do is have them go ahead and go to classroom.google.com and make sure that they're in their G Suite account. And then once they are, just give them this code. That's the easiest way to do it instead of inviting them. If they have an invitation, they'll have an invitation in their mail. You also have options here that they can only post and comment, they can comment only, or only the teacher can post and comment. You can set up email for all guardians, and we can't get into those other items there because I don't have any students right now. You can also put a little information here about your class if you want to. And let's go back to our stream. So those are the basics. The other basics is this is where you'll add things. So when you click the plus sign down here, you have you can create an announcement, you can create an assignment, create a question that people can respond to, or you can reuse a post. And so let's just create a question. So the question is, are you planning on coming to our field trip? And then you can put a due date on here. Let's put a due date for tomorrow. Students can reply to each other. You can click that on or off, and students can edit their answer. You click ask. And then the students would see this on theirs. They would be able to do this. You would be able to tell who has answered and who hasn't. You can edit, delete, copy this link, all of those good things. Posting an assignment. If I wanted to do an assignment and I wanted to, let's put a due date of tomorrow, and then if I wanted to, I can attach something. I can upload something, or there's the drive, so it will take you right to your Google Drive, and then you could put something from your Google Drive in there. You can choose a topic, and you can create topics here. You can put a YouTube video in here. You could put a link in here, all kinds of different things, and then you say assign. An announcement. The students will see this when they open their classroom. Don't forget to bring a lunch for our field trip. Post it. So there it is right there. And then again, if I decide I want to, I can always delete this. And the last one is to reuse a post. So if you have multiple classes set up and you want to reuse one of the assignments that you have, you can choose another class to post that same assignment to, which is a really nice feature. The other thing that you can do is you can also have another teacher. You can have co-teachers. So that's just the very basics of Classroom. Stay tuned and I'll give you some more tips on using Classroom in the future.